Did you fold my red dress?
I thought you packed it.
No, I asked you to do it. Did you forget?
Let me check. It's on the chair. Sorry.
We almost left it. Please put it in now.
Okay, it's in. Did you pack the charger?
Yes, I did. Did you find your belt?
Not yet. I can't find it.
Look under the bed. It's often there.
You're right. I found it. Thanks.
That was close. Do you have the tickets?
Yes, in my wallet. Do you want to see?
Yes, please. Let me check them. This is last month's ticket.
Really? Let me look. Here is the right one. My mistake.
You scared me. I thought we lost them.
I always keep them safe. Don't worry.
What about my passport? Did you see it?
It's on the table, next to your bag.
Good. I need to put it in my purse. Are we missing anything else? I don't think so. Let me check my list.
Your list is very long. We have everything.
I hope so. I want this trip to be perfect.
It will be. We are together.
Did you turn off the stove?
Yes, I checked it twice.
What about the iron? Is it unplugged?
I just unplugged it. See?
Good. I'm always nervous about that.
I know, but we're safe.
Should we take an umbrella?
The weather looks clear, but maybe.
I'll pack one, just in case.
Good idea. Better to be prepared.
Is the suitcase too heavy?
Let me check. No, it feels fine.
Okay. I think we're ready.
Finally, we can leave now.
Wait. Did you water the plants?
Oh no, I forgot. Thanks for reminding me.
We almost left them dry.
I'm doing it now. See?
Good. Now we can go.
Let me take the big suitcase.
I'll carry the small bags.
Don't forget your purse.
I have it right here.
Perfect. Lock the door.
I just locked it. We're set.
To the station, then.
I'm excited for this trip.
Me too. It'll be fun.
Did you bring the guidebook?
Yes, it's in my backpack.
And the hotel confirmation?
Right here in this folder.
You're so organized today.
I'm trying my best.
It shows. Thank you.
You're welcome. Ready?
Yes, let's go.
The taxi should be here soon.
Good. I don't want to be late. Where are the tickets now?
In my pocket. Wait. I don't feel them.
Please don't say they're lost.
Found them. They were in the other pocket. See?
Good. Don't scare me like that.
I won't. They are safe now.
What time does the train leave?
In 20 minutes. We have time.
I hope so. I don't like rushing.
We'll be fine. Don't worry.
Which platform is it?
Platform 6. It's right there.
I see it. Let's go.
Wait, I need to tie my shoe.
Okay, but hurry.
Done. Now we can go. Look at that couple. They're arguing loudly.
Travel makes people stressed. We are all the same.
We were like that earlier. Now we are calm.
Yes, but we still need to be careful.
At least we're not that loud.
True. We're doing better now.
Everyone has travel stress.
I'm glad we're past that.
Me too. It feels better.
Much better. This line is too slow. We'll miss the train.
Don't worry. We have time.
Are you sure? What if we don't make it?
Then we have these biscuits. We won't starve.
You're too relaxed. It amazes me.
Someone has to be calm. It might as well be me.
I guess you're right, but I still worry.
Look, the line is moving now.
Finally, I see the counter.
See? We're almost there.
I hope they have our snacks ready.
They will. I called ahead.
What did you order for us?
Sandwiches and drinks.
That sounds perfect.
And some fruit too.
Even better.
Listen, the train is delayed. 20 minutes.
Okay, you were right. We have time.
See? Now we can relax.
Yes. Let's find a seat and wait.
Over there. 2 empty seats.
Perfect. I can rest my feet. Do you want some coffee?
I'll get us some. Wait here.
Don't take too long.
I'll be quick. I promise.
Get some sugar too.
I will. 2 sugars for you.
You remember. Thank you.
Of course I remember.
That's sweet. We made it. That was very close.
1 more minute and we would have missed it. Do you feel better now?
Yes, I feel better. Please sit down. Do you want the window seat?
Yes, thank you. Did you see me almost drop the bag?
Yes, I saw. The guard looked very angry.
He was not happy with us, but we made it.
Next time we should arrive earlier.
I agree. No more rushing.
Our seats are comfortable.
Yes, this is nice.
The train is clean too.
Much better than last time. Do you want a biscuit now?
Yes, please. Oh, the bag is torn. Did you crush it?
Maybe I did. Are they still good?
Yes, they are fine. Do you want some water?
Careful. You spilled a little.
Sorry. Did it get on you?
Just a little. It's okay.
Let me clean it up. I have a tissue.
Thanks. It's no problem.
The biscuits are still tasty.
Good. I was worried.
They taste fine. Have one.
Thank you. They're good.
You're welcome. Did you close the kitchen window?
I think I did.
Are you sure? You don't sound sure.
Now I'm not sure. Maybe I forgot.
What if it rains? The floor will be wet.
It won't rain. The forecast was clear.
You always say that. It makes me worry.
I'm sorry. I will check twice next time. I promise.
Really? You promise?
Yes, I promise. No more forgetting.
Okay. I trust you.
Thank you. I'll be better.
I know you will.
I want you to feel secure.
I do feel better now.
Good. I'm glad. Look at the fields. They're so green. Do you see the cows?
Yes, I see them. They look peaceful. Do you like the view?
Yes, I love it. It makes me calm. Do you feel calm too?
Yes, I do. Travel is good for us.
We should do this more. Every season.
Yes. Mountains in winter. Beach in summer.
That sounds perfect. I can't wait.
Me neither. This is just the beginning.
What should we do first at the hotel?
Rest. Then explore the city.
Good plan. I am excited.
Me too. It's beautiful here.
The countryside is lovely.
Yes. So peaceful.
I love traveling with you.
I love traveling with you too.
Should we take a taxi or walk?
Let's take a taxi. My feet hurt.
Okay. I see one over there.
Good. I'm too tired to walk.
I'll wave it down.
Perfect. I'll wait here.
The taxi is coming.
Great. I'm exhausted.
It's been a long day.
Yes, but a good one.
I have your booking, but we only have a single bed.
What? I booked a double bed. Please check again.
Can you look one more time? The name is Thompson.
I am sorry. The hotel is full tonight.
This is not good. I really wanted a double bed.
I know, but it's just for one night.
I'm very disappointed.
Me too, but we'll manage.
This is frustrating.
I understand. Let's take the room.
Okay, if we have to.
We'll take this room. It's just for one night.
Okay.
But tomorrow, I want a big bed.
Deal. Tomorrow, a big bed.
I will hold you to that promise.
I know. I'll make sure of it.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Let's go up.
I hope the room is clean.
I'm sure we'll be fine.
Today was a good day.
Even with the problems.
Yes. It was stressful, but also fun.
I'm tired but happy. Glad we are here.
Me too. Let's sleep. Tomorrow is a new day.
Good night.
See you in the morning.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
You too. Rest well.
We deserve it after today.
Yes, we do. Good night again.
Good night, my love.
Good night, Daniel.
Sleep tight.
You too. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
I won't. Good night.
Good night.
I love you.
I love you too.